An auto company can spend years researching and millions of dollars designing a car that they think is exactly what the public wants, and then have it fail miserably in the marketplace. Other cars continue to sell strongly throughout the years, even though the ideas behind them are not currently fashionable. The cars of Volvo are a good example of that. Long known as the world's boxiest automobiles, they continue to survive in a market full of ultra-high-tech and aerodynamic competitors. Why? Well, one reason is constant refinement, something that the new Volvo 960 has in spades. With the passing of the 940 SE, the 960 is now Volvo's top-of-the-line model. With that distinction comes certain responsibilities. The car must remain true to Volvo's long-standing policy of safety, reliability, and quality with little regard for styling trendiness. Outside, the 960 sedan wears the smoother lines that Volvo introduced on its 940 series last year. The sedate body styling, however, hides Volvo's new side impact system. Reinforcements to the roof, B-pillar, and floor spread out the force of a lateral impact, substantially reducing the chances of serious injury. But don't think that the 960 is just another Volvo safety box. If you do, you'll never experience this new 2.9-liter inline 24-valve 6-cylinder engine, developed by Volvo in consort with engineers from Porsche. The all-aluminum engine, which is built around a unique 5-section casting, makes 201 horsepower and 197 pound-feet of torque. Volvo chose an inline configuration over a V6 for its inherent balance and smooth power delivery. The engine is mated to a new, better shifting 4-speed automatic transmission. The driver has choice of 3 shift modes: Economy, Sport, and Winter. This powertrain moves the Volvo 960 sprightly from 0 to 60 in 8.9 seconds. The quarter mile takes 16.6 seconds with a final speed of 87 miles per hour. Not as fast as the 940 Turbo, but with much less fuss. 80% of the 6-cylinder's torque is available at only 1,000 RPM, making the 960 the most spirited Volvo on the road. The 960's 4-wheel disc brakes with standard ABS brought our car to a nose-diving stop from 60 miles per hour in a short average distance of 100 feet. While we wouldn't call the Volvo 960 a slalom sloth, it does plod a bit through the cones with a heavy feel, lots of body roll, but a good grip. Highway ride is, on the other hand, smooth and comfortable. Fuel economy is EPA rated at 18 city and 26 highway. We got 20 miles per gallon on our economy loop. The 960's interior is well appointed with many standard features, including a driver's side airbag. A CD player is one of the 960's few options. The standard heated leather seats with their 8-way power adjustments have very good back and thigh support. Rear seating is also generous and equipped with Volvo's integrated child booster seat. Trunk space is abundant and easy to access. However, if you need more space, the 960 also is available as a station wagon. Base price for the 960 sedan is a hefty $33,975. A wagon version will cost $36,655. Volvos have long remained consistent in safety, reliability, and appearance. Now, with the 960 comes a refined use of power. All told, the new 960 carries on with Volvo's traditional strengths. It just carries on a little better.